G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making passion fruit margarita.
It tastes like passion fruit.
This recipe calls for tequila, Cointreau, simple syrup, fresh lime and fresh passion fruit. Into a shaker, add ice. Then add 60 ml of tequila, 30 ml of Grand Marnier, a squirt of simple syrup, 15 ml of lime juice, passion fruit, and shake. Pour into a margarita glass and add your seeds back in. Garnish with a slice of lime. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.